Welcome to Data2Intelligence, your go-to channel for transforming raw data into meaningful insight.
In episode 6, we are going to discuss about the Microsoft Fabric Workspaces.
Workspaces are places to collaborate with colleagues to create collections of items such as lakehouses, warehouses, and reports, and to create task flows. This article describes workspaces, how to manage access to them, and what settings are available.
Hi, in this section, we are going to discuss about how to create workspaces. From the video, we can see different options available in the Fabric URL, where you can see monitor, real-time workloads, and workspaces. So each option comes with a lot of information you can go through to understand further. And also, let's start with how to create workspace, which I have already created for the training purpose, but I'll show one more time how to create. So in the Fabric workspace, you click on the new workspace and you can provide the appropriate name based on the project. For now, I'm just giving some name for demo purpose, and you can add any name. So, and you can also provide description what this workspace used for and what's the main purpose of this workspace in terms of the project requirement. You can also add domains based on the business pillars, how a project is assigned, and you can see different adding the users. Like as in my previous video, already I discussed about different access level in the workspace, so you can assign the appropriate one. And also you can see the workspace setting. Workspace setting includes all the properties, including the workspace tags, workspace capacity, contracts, and workspace OneDrive.
By default, workspaces are created in your organization's shared capacity. When your organization has other capacities, workspaces including My Workspaces can be assigned to any capacity in your organization. You can configure it while creating a workspace or modify it after creation in the workspace settings. Workspace types are organized into two categories: Power BI workspace types and Fabric workspace types. Workspace admins can configure dataflow storage to use Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage and Azure Log Analytics (LA) connection to collect usage and performance logs for the workspace in workspace settings. When you create a workspace identity, Fabric creates a service principal in Microsoft Entra ID to represent the identity. An accompanying app registration is also created. Fabric automatically manages the credentials associated with workspace identities, thereby preventing credential leaks and downtime due to improper credential handling. Microsoft Fabric provides several layers of inbound network protection to help organizations control where inbound connections can originate when accessing items and data. Managed virtual networks are virtual networks that are created and managed by Microsoft Fabric for each Fabric workspace. Workspace outbound access protection in Microsoft Fabric lets admins secure the outbound data connections from items in their workspaces to external resources. Folders are organizational units inside a workspace that enable users to efficiently organize and manage artifacts in the workspace. When you create a workspace, it's assigned to a capacity. The capacity that new workspaces are assigned to by default is determined by the capacity type and/or by the configuration of Fabric or capacity administrators.